Today's fast-paced business world, organizations are realizing that emotional intelligence, or EI, is no longer a nice-to-have. It's essential for effective leadership and management. Research shows that poor leadership can reduce organizational performance by up to 30%, and the workplace climate is heavily influenced by the emotional skills of those in charge. Leaders who lack EI may struggle to inspire, motivate, or even retain their teams. On the other hand, those who master EI competencies can create a positive, productive environment where people thrive. Let's explore what makes EI so critical for managers and leaders. Emotional intelligence is built on several key competencies. These include self-awareness, understanding your own emotions and how they affect your actions. Emotion regulation is another core skill, allowing leaders to manage their feelings and respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Empathy, or the ability to understand others' emotions, is vital for building trust and strong relationships. Influence and inspiration help leaders motivate their teams, while coaching and mentoring foster growth in others. Finally, maintaining a strong work and goal focus ensures that teams stay productive and aligned. Together, these skills form the backbone of effective leadership. While technical skills and IQ are important, they're simply not enough for today's leaders. Emotional intelligence fills the gap, enabling managers to connect with their teams on a deeper level. It's the difference between a manager who just gets the job done and one who inspires loyalty, creativity, and high performance. Organizations that prioritize EI see better collaboration, reduced conflict, and higher employee satisfaction. In short, EI is the secret ingredient that transforms good managers into great leaders, making it a must-have for anyone aiming to excel in their career. Help professionals develop these vital EI skills. A comprehensive workshop is being offered from 21st to 23rd May at the India Habitat Center in Delhi. This workshop is designed for managers, leaders, coaches, and trainers who want to enhance their emotional intelligence and leadership effectiveness. Participants will engage in hands-on learning, practical exercises, and real-world scenarios, making the experience both interactive and impactful. Whether you're new to EI or looking to deepen your expertise, this workshop promises valuable insights and actionable strategies. What sets this workshop apart is its foundation in neuroscience and brain science. The content is grounded in the latest research, ensuring that every concept is both scientifically valid and easy to apply. Complex ideas are broken down into simple, practical steps that you can use immediately in your professional life. This approach not only makes learning more accessible, but also ensures that participants leave with tools they can implement right away. The workshop's scientific rigor guarantees a high-value learning experience for all attendees. Workshop is led by Dr. Ashish Sen, a renowned expert in emotional intelligence and leadership. Dr. Sen has trained thousands of executives, trainers, and coaches across various sectors, including Fortune 500 companies, government agencies, and private organizations in India. As a faculty member at IIM Nagpur, he brings a wealth of academic and practical experience to the table. His teaching style is engaging and insightful, ensuring that every participant gains a deep understanding of EI concepts and their real-world applications. Participants will explore a wide range of topics during the workshop. These include emotional self-awareness, emotion regulation, mindfulness, self-compassion, and forgiveness. Assertive communication and active listening are covered to enhance interpersonal effectiveness. The workshop also delves into coaching and mentoring, influence, cognitive and effective empathy, and emotion journaling. Each topic is designed to build a comprehensive EI toolkit, empowering attendees to handle workplace challenges with confidence and empathy. Upon completion, participants will receive certification in EI assessment skills using the SCALE tool, recognized by EI Learning Systems USA and ASCC. This certification not only validates your expertise, but also enables coaches and trainers to replicate the workshop and train others in EI skills. It's a valuable credential that can enhance your professional profile and open new career opportunities. The workshop is affordably priced, making it accessible to a wide audience eager to advance their leadership capabilities. This workshop offers a high-value learning experience for anyone looking to boost their emotional intelligence and leadership effectiveness. Whether you're a manager, leader, coach, or trainer, the skills you gain here will help you create a more positive, productive, and resilient workplace. Don't miss this opportunity to invest in your growth and unlock your full potential as a leader. For more details, you can reach out via email and take the first step toward mastering EI.